My name is Lucy Moctezuma, and I will walk you through this notebook step by step in order to make a decision tree. Before we jump in and start looking at the code, let's remind ourselves the objective of this exercise. Remember the data set with information about the 58 California counties shown in the previous video? Below, we have an image of our data set. Recall that it includes several columns. We had the number of COVID cases per 100,000 people. We have the population size, the vaccination rates for partial and fully vaccinated, the unemployment rates, and the voting rates for different political parties. In our example, we included the Democrat, the Green, the Republican, the Libertarian, and other smaller parties. Let's now imagine that the information about the number of COVID cases per 100,000 people for the last 18 counties were missing or unknown, but we still had the available columns of population, vaccination rates, unemployment rates, and voting rates, the ones highlighted in blue. The main objective of this video will be to figure out or predict the missing values using only the remaining available columns. In order to accomplish this task, we will be creating a decision tree. So what is a decision tree? A decision tree is a supervised machine learning model that allows us to make predictions by learning simple rules that are inferred using information available in the dataset. Decision trees are considered a supervised type of model because we know exactly what we're trying to figure out. In our project, we will have to specify to the model that we're trying to figure out the number of COVID cases per 100,000 people. This is our label. Our decision tree will help us by making predictions for these missing values. In contrast, a model is considered unsupervised when we do not know exactly what we're trying to predict. Instead, this type of models try to find hidden relationships in the dataset, allowing us to group data based on similarities. For example, when Netflix recommends a new crime series you happen to like, the model is able to do that even though you have not specified that you enjoy this genre, nor that you're trying to watch more of it. A way to picture a decision tree is a tree-like flowchart. When we start at the top, and then based on whether the criteria for the decision is satisfied or not, we move down the tree. For instance, if the first criteria is met, you would pick the left branch, yes. If it's not, then you would pick no, the right branch. This process gets repeated at every single decision point until it no longer divides. This is the point where you reach a particular prediction. Don't worry if this is still not clear to you. We will be able to see this in more detail later when we create our own decision tree using the COVID dataset we discussed.